setting yourself up for freelance success so you can shift your perspective and improve your life. First, let's go over the bird's eye view of this module. The first thing I want to talk about is how cash is often misrepresented as king, but in reality, cash is not king. Cash just sitting there isn't going to do you any good. There's many reasons for this. The first is because, number one, your money isn't safe when it's in your bank account because eventually you're going to find something to spend it on. However, let's say you don't. Let's say you just save your money over a long time. What happens is the silent killer they call inflation will begin to creep in, and that eats away at the value of your money. So it's really not about cash being king, but rather cash flow being king. So cash flow is the ability to create multiple streams of recurring revenue. This is essential to really create your own economy and to not be at mercy with the country's economy. Cash flow is having multiple streams of income. So what does that mean? That means having multiple clients that pay you money every single month to help them solve the problems they need solved. And this might get confused with just cash as king, but there's a big difference here. It's not just about that first time. It's not just about getting that first initial sale. It's all about building profitable relationships that result in cash flow over time. Trade skills for money. This is where you're going to understand that trading your time for money is not the way you're going to be as profitable as possible as a freelancer. On the other hand, as you begin to learn valuable skills, you are now going to be able to trade those for money, as opposed to just trading your time for money. The whole goal is to do this by getting clients that pay you every single month. Cash flow is king. Master the process. In order to get good at anything, you must follow a proven process. You must follow a rule book, a way to get there. It's the same way when you go to build something, you have to look at a blueprint. When you go to cook something, you have to look at the recipe, because you look at things that have already been done successfully and you follow those steps to get there, instead of trying to create your own process and make it up along the way. That is not how you can be a profitable freelancer, and that is not how you are going to find the key success factors to get you there even quicker. So understand the key success factors is all about mastering the process of finding, landing, and servicing clients. That is the process we are going to go over, and that is what you are going to get so good at so you can create that cash flow that will serve you for your entire life. Now let's go over what's covered in this module. First lesson is how to be massively productive. Then we're going to go into how to build your personal brand, followed by the basics of selling, understanding the price myth, the power of the phone, and freelancing key success factors.